Hello, Martin Nelson here, once again on the beach at Lendlefoot in southwest Scotland, South Ayrshire, and I am now going to attempt the near impossible of creating the logo for Cycle Orbital, the two letters C and O, using golden section Euclidean geometry, one-handed, with the aid of just a bicycle wheel, a bicycle pump, and a piece of driftwood. So, wish me luck. Okay, so here's my equipment, as promised, and off we go, one-handed. First of all, I place my wheel in the sand, not too much damage done to it, I hope, and describe a circle. There we are. Remove the wheel. And then, I'm going to draw a straightforward square, good piece of driftwood this, about the circle to give me a new radius like that. All right, and then with my bicycle pump I'm going to judge a circle, a new circle about that point. It's got to have to be approximate, but wish me luck. Right. Then at the point of intersection with this line gives us the new golden section rectangle being 1 to 1.618. Here we go. Very approximate. Then the wheel goes back in place like that. I describe a new circle about the wheel. Sounds like a sheep in the background, but out to sea. I don't understand. And there we are. Those are my two letters C and O. They are about to appear before your very eyes. Like that. I think the sheep likes it. There. How's that? Cycle Orbital.